lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great because I was so shocked when my Boxycharm came in the mail today. Today is Monday, August 5th. I probably won't put this video out to the 7th, but I am so excited. It is coming earlier and earlier every month, and I love it. So thank you, Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, this is a beauty subscription that you get between 4 to 5 full-size items, sometimes 6, and this is $21 a month, but you do pay for tax. So it's about $22, depending on what state that you live in. So this is the August 2019, if I have not said that. So without further ado, let's see what is in this August 2019. How many times can I say that? Boxycharm box. All right, so let's open her up, and that's a sneak peek. All right. Oh, I'm noticing something different. So usually on the corner here, you see what variation that you get, but there's no variation. So maybe this month everybody's getting the same thing. I don't know. So the theme for this month is totally Boxycharm. All right, so let's just go right in. The first thing that I knew we were getting, I've seen a lot of spoilers, is this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder right there. So I haven't tried this. I've heard people before when this first came out that if you don't close it up tightly, it does dry out because it's supposed to feel like a wet feeling, you know, like a, I don't know. Let me just read. All right, so this is $39. It says this this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. All right, so let's see. So it's definitely full size. It says keep me closed to keep me cool. Yeah, so I definitely can see how it will definitely dry it out. So let's see if I can open this puppy up and see. All right, okay, so there was already stuff on the top, if you can see. Let me see. That's what it looks like. And it is very finely milled. That feels nice. All right, so I'm definitely glad that we got this. I'm gonna have to play around with this and see how it works, but we gotta be careful that you do definitely keep that shut. All right, the next thing we got is from Peach and Lily. This is a Glass Skin Refining Serum, right there. All right, so this retail values for $39. It says the silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing. Okay, silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing. This serum helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, delivering more dramatic results and continued use. All right, I love getting skincare, so I am definitely not knocking that. So that's what it looks like. All right, let's open it up and see. Oh, so it's like a little pump. Let's see. Like that. Well, that feels nice. So it definitely gives like that glass look appearance. All right. I am really excited to try that. All right. Then we got these things from Beaute. This is Glimmer Shadow Duo. It retail values for $25, and they are really, really pretty. So one is French Vanilla, and one is Huckleberry. So I'm not sure if everybody gets the same colors. So let's swatch it. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. It's really pretty. Put it on the other. Oh, feels just like the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. Say that 3 times. All right, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna give it another swatch because it's very like sheer. All right, I don't know how I feel about that. Let's try it one more time. You know what this will probably look good on? If I already have a matte eyeshadow on my lid and then I go on top with this. That'll probably make it look really, really pretty. Yeah. All right, So there we go. So that is, which one you be? French vanilla. All right, and then this is the huckleberry. I think I said hackleberry before. All right, let me show you. That's a beautiful purple color. These two colors will look really pretty together. Very, very creamy. Yeah, see, it's not, let me try that again. It's not as opaque as what I thought, but it's definitely buildable. See, now that's pretty. Those two colors look gorgeous together. If you just want to wear these two alone, you put that like silver color, French vanilla color on your lid and use this to deepen it up. It will look really pretty. All right, so that's cool. All right, let me see. We have two more things. We have this Steve Laurent, what you be? This is in the shade Vogue, but I don't know what it is. Let's see. Oh, a lip liner. All right. Let's open her up. Oh, so that's a pretty color. That's really pretty. Oh, yeah. So there we go right here. I love this color. All right, how much was this? $15. Steve Laurent's products are very expensive. And last but not least is this Wander Beauty. This is Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So we have two skincare products this month. Right there. And this is $42. Holy crap, for this little thing, $42. Wow. It says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. And Wander Beauty, I believe, is a K-Beauty brand, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so let's recap what we got in the August box. So we have the Wander Beauty elixir, which I'm not knocking because I love skincare. So then we have this lip liner, which I really love the color. That is gorgeous. And then we have two from Ace Beaute. What are these things called again? These are the Glimmer Shadow Duos, which are really, really pretty. Then we have this thing from Becca. This is the Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. And then what else? Oh, and then we have this Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum right there, which really made it. Now that it's steeped in the skin, it doesn't look as glassy. It's still a little shiny, but not as much, but it's pretty. It's a little tacky, which I like, because then you can put your foundation right over that. So that's everything. I will put right here how much the total box came to. Like I said, this is only $21. You're guaranteed to get at least $100 worth of value every month, but usually with Boxycharm, you get well over the $100 mark. So that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like this month? Do you like Boxycharm? Do you get it? Let me know all the tea, what you think. As always, I do leave the link down below if you want to check it out. It is an affiliate link, so if you do use it, I do make a very, very small commission. But if you do not want to use it, I will also put the link to take you right to the Boxycharm website as well. That's everything, guys. Please rate this video. Like it if you like it. Dislike it if you don't. But rate the video because it really does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and put your post notification bell on so you will be notified every time I upload a video, because YouTube isn't doing that lately. And also when you will be notified in my next future giveaways that are coming up very, very soon. And that's everything, guys. As always, I put videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.